Hi everyone, it's Farah from Zoom. We've had a lot of requests lately to have a quick 101 starter guide on how to get started with Zoom. So I'm going to share with you today how you can sign up for your account and how you can very easily download our software. After that, I'll have a series of videos teaching you how to schedule meetings in either Outlook or Gmail, as well as how to manage participants once you're running a session. Look out for some advanced sessions coming up in the future as well. Thanks for joining. First thing we want to review today is how you can sign up for your account. You can do this very easily by heading over to zoom.us. This is our homepage, and you'll see in the upper right-hand corner that you have the ability to sign up for an account in the corner. It is completely free, and you'll just want to enter your email address in here. You can do this with your work email or a personal email address as well. Once you sign up, you will receive an email from Zoom that will allow you to finish registration, and then you can go to sign in. It's that easy. The second thing that you'll want to do is head over to our downloads page, which you can find by heading over to zoom.us/download. And you can also reach that spot by heading to the bottom of the page. You'll see a gallery where you can click download. In our download center, you will want to download our software, which is the Zoom client for meetings, as well as our add-in or plugin for Microsoft. The add-in will allow you to connect with 365, and the plugin will allow you to connect with legacy versions of Microsoft, 2016, I believe, in 2013. And then we also have the Zoom extension for browsers. If you're on Chrome or Firefox, you will want to download those as well. I'll go over our Zoom on your mobile phone in a future session as well. Go ahead and click one of the download buttons to get started. Once you have those up and running, you can sign into your extension on your browser. You can sign into your Outlook add-in, and you can also sign into the desktop client to stay live within Zoom. Follow up with my next video to see how you can schedule these meetings easily. Thanks so much for joining.